how to make money on people per hour as a photographer. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by joining as a freelancer. Click on the freelancer button on your top right. Then make sure to choose I want to work as a freelancer. Then click on sign up with email. And here you fill the usual information, your first name, last name, and so on. Then you click on sign up. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account. So here I'm going to enter my email and my password as well. And then click on login. And here click on apply now. You're almost ready to start selling. Please complete your application in order to join our community of the highest quality freelancers online. A solid application proves to us that you're serious about selling and gives our buyers confidence that you're a great fit for their needs. So click on apply now. And then make sure to drop a profile picture in here, and then you proceed to enter your job title, for example, award-winning web developer or just a photographer. And then here you enter your skills, and the maximum amount of skills that you can add is 15. So here I'm going to start with photography. Photography, product photography. Let's start with event photography. Photography, product photography. Let's enter anything that is related to photography. Photography writing, commercial, headshot, travel, wedding. Photography, digital photography, fashion photography as well, travel photography, food photography, portrait photography, property photography as well, and that's all. Then you proceed to add in your description, so you can describe yourself to buyers to convince them to buy your skill. So in order to enter a very good and persuasive description, let's search for our competitors. So here let's go with professional photography, and then let's check our competitors, see what are they talking about in their description, how are they describing their skill and their experience. So here let's go for this one, for example. Let's check this one. John R, product and food photographer, and this is his description. All you need from your photographer: reliable, hardworking, flexible, creative, shooting digital medium format and full frame DSLR, many product images produced for Amazon. And I didn't like his description that much, so I'm going to check another one. So here, make your e-commerce products look stunning. Let's check this one. I like this picture. So this is her description. I'm a late trained food stylist, writer, photographer, and an experienced cook. I'll make your recipe, style it beautifully, and produce a mouth-watering picture. I can also make your product look amazing for packaging. So she is describing her skill, as you can see, and I work remotely, so you do not need to provide kitchen or studio space. Check out examples of my photographs and she inserts examples of her work as well. That is brilliant. So let's check her work in here. So this is her work, this is her portfolio, and it's like she said, she's a very good photographer. So that's a brilliant idea, and she can provide also some articles to accompany photographers if required. So you can check this one if you want some accompaniment in your photographing journey. Let's go back to enter our description. I think you got some ideas, guys. So you'll be able to enter a description for your profile in here, and then you'll proceed to enter in your location and the languages that you can speak. So here let's go with English, Arabic, and French. Those are the Englishes that I can speak. I don't know about you. You can enter as many as you can speak, and then you can enter your hourly rate in here. First, let's change the currency to the United States dollar, and here let's go with $20 per hour. Then click on submit application, and once your application gets submitted, you'll be able to get paid or get hired from clients to do or to perform your skills. And in here you can control everything that is happening on your account. So you can post projects, you can see your dashboard, you can check your profile, and you can see how much you earned. As you can see, my freelancer activity, and here you have your earnings, $0 obviously, and here you can check your projects and your offers as well. Here you can post an offer, or you can find a project in here that you can apply for. And that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.